All right, welcome back to another video. I'm here with my boy Roy and his son. So today we're gonna be putting what are we doing? Rotors, and, yes.
Lines.
Rotors. I was lied to. So I thought we were just doing brake pads and rotors today, but we're actually replacing the brake lines as well. So I'm not gonna spend a whole bunch of time going over how to replace the brake pads because I've already done it. Check out that video if you haven't already. So I'm gonna set up the tripod and we'll get started.
Bye.
So to remove the caliper, there's two, 19 millimeter?
Yeah.
Two 19 millimeter bolts on the back. So you go ahead and remove those. We went ahead and removed the pads as well to make it a little easier to remove the caliper. But after you do that, you should be good to go. He went with this, this stainless steel brake line kit from MA Performance. And how much was it?
The kit is like 600.
What? 600?
Kit? Yeah.
Oh, okay. No, I mean just for the lines themselves though. Do you know?
I don't know.
Okay. All right, well, I don't know how much they are right now, but I'll be sure to link it in the description box below. Apparently, he paid a lot of money, more than you can afford.
The rotors, they all gold.
He's working on the passenger side, and I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the driver's side. I think I'm gonna go ahead and remove the stock line and go ahead and replace it with this stainless steel braided one. Looks like to do that, there's a nut here that has to be removed or loosened up, so that way you can remove the factory rubber line. It looks like it's bolted to the frame behind the coilover. It's kind of hard to see, but it's bolted to the frame behind the coilover. Okay. All right, so my camera overheated, but we're all finished up. Roy, AKA Trinidad James, with the 24 karat magic. rotors are all.
Oh, look at the caliper.
Right. But they're all finished up. So I'll be sure to link where he purchased these from in the description below. I'm gonna try to do a couple rollers really quick so we can see how it looks in the sunlight when the car's actually moving. Most times his car will actually be behind mine because it's just a little bit slower, but no, just kidding. But I appreciate you guys watching the video. I'm gonna end it here and I'll see you guys in the next one.